हरिनागुरि फरायसालिनि बानजायनायाव सोलोंथाइनि सायाव सांग्रांथि हाबाफारि लादों। कक्राझार जिल्ला बावखुंग्रि बियाबनि सिङाव थानाय हरिनागुरि गेजेर फरायसालियाव हरिनागुरि फरायसालिनि बानजायनायाव गुन गोनां सोलोंथाइ एबा मोजां सोलोंथाइनि बिथिङाव जौगालांनांगौनि सायाव सांग्रांथि हाबाफारि लादों। बे हाबाफारिनि बायदि PhD प्रोफेसर अफ इलिनियस इउनिभार्सिटी सिसेग USA नि डॉक्टर किशोर कुमार वारिया बाहागो लाना फरायसा फरायसुलिखौ सोलोंथाइ लानायनि गोथौयै सांग्रांथि बोसोन होयो। बे हाबाफारियाव बाहागो लाफैयो BTC नि इनचार्ज प्रिन्सिपल सेक्रेटारि नरेन चन्द्र बसुमतारी, गसाइगाव BEd कलेजनि गोरायुं डॉक्टर अजित बर' आरो हरिनागुरि गेजेर फरायसालिनि फोरोंगिरिफोरा।
Actually, the goal of this meeting was to just meet with the students and meet with the faculty members, just to inspire them. Like I told them the story of, uncut diamonds. Every students have a potential to be, the best. They can. Every one of us are like uncut diamonds. If you allow to cut yourself, they can become more shining, and the price of that diamond can go up. So basically, to inspire the students to read, to stay focused in the studies, and it's a collaboration between teachers and the students and the community. And they have to work together. The faculty members do a tremendous job of training and educating children. So, and most of the time, they are fighting here to get a good education. I thought maybe if I come and just talk about, what the goals of education should be. So that's what I talked about. Yes. Yes, Berlin, it feels very nice today. Weather is really great and it's pleasant. The temperature is very good. And I'm from Kokrajhar. From Bagansali. Actually, I went to college here. I went to the higher secondary school, Kokrajhar higher secondary school. Then I went to Shillong. I did my biochemistry MSc and PhD. Then from there, I went to Philadelphia to do my postdoc. Then I became a faculty member. I'm a professor now at University of Illinois at Chicago. I have many students. I have a research lab, and I also teach in medical schools, and I teach medicine, like how to treat cancer, how to treat infections, how to transplant medicine after heart, what kind of medicine is needed. Those things are taught at medical school. I'm one of the faculty members, so it's fun.